Oh, I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. Mom, right at 3 o'clock. You are on it. What a beautiful Tuesday across the area. Temperatures in the upper 60s, getting close to 70 degrees. I'll give you, it is a little breezy outside. I got about a 15-mile-an-hour wind in most spots, maybe some 20-mile-an-hour gusts at times, but still a beautiful Tuesday across the area. Burgettstown, Perryopolis, thanks for checking in. Hope you're having a great day today. And as I posted out earlier on Facebook and on Twitter, I'm going to try and push out regularly the allergy index. And if you have allergies, you should be taking your allergy medication sooner rather than later. Trees, pollens are primarily the chief offender right now. Grass, weed, and molds are still low. And the main offenders in the tree category are maple and poplar trees. So those are the ones that are pollinating the most at this point. We will get to some birthdays in just a moment. First, I want to take you to PittsburghWeatherNow.com. You can see right at the top of the homepage, as I've been pointing out, there's a link right here to vote for Pittsburgh Magazine's Best of the Berg Awards. If you're so inclined, give me a vote. You can vote more than once. The weather fun fact of the day had to deal with the greatest 24-hour rainfall on record for the United States, which occurred in a place called Alvin, Texas. And you can get more information about that if you click on the weather fun fact of the day. But it is a very impressive rain total for 24 hours. And you can see the weather fun fact of the day every day, first thing in the morning. We try and get it out by 7 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to the photo gallery today. One of my landscape photos sent in by a viewer, and I wanted to take a look at this one. You can see this is Lake Wilhelm. It is courtesy of Nikki Jones, and this is the way Lake Wilhelm looked. Nice shot there, and the reason I bring this up is we have had some beautiful sunrise and sunsets across the area in recent days. I expect we'll see another beautiful one tonight. If you want to, you can please snap a photo, share it with us at PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and we'll try and get you uploaded into the photo gallery. And we should have at least a couple more beautiful sunrise and sunsets. So that is our picture of the day. Birthdays. Born on this day, Dennis Quaid. You've probably seen him recently in some of those insurance commercial ads on TV. Hugh Hefner celebrated his birthday on this day before his passing a few years ago. Jackie Evancho, the singer, the young teenage singer of America's Got Talent fame and much more. She's 19 today. Joe Scarborough of MSNBC. He's a host of one of the programs there. If you're a hockey fan, you know the name Catherine Tappan, especially from NBCSN. She is a host of a lot of the NBCSN's hockey programs. And she also does some stuff for NBC. I know I've seen her do some Notre Dame football games. She celebrates her birthday today. And if you remember The Cosby Show, Rudy Huxtable, she was the youngest daughter. Keisha Knight Pullum is 40 years old today. So that'll make you feel a little older if you didn't need to feel so already. Today is National Unicorn Day. So if you like unicorns, this is the day. It's also National Name Yourself Day. No kidding. They said this is a day you can actually ask to be called. So you can do it any day, I guess, but here's the day for it, to be called something different. So today I'm not Jeff Frizella. I am Secret Agent Randy Beans. Some folks, I put it out there on Facebook, what do you want to be called today? I just quickly ran down some of them. Some people said they want to be called Sunshine. One said Tilly Ann. One said Stir. Slim Shady. My name is Slim Shady. And one person said they want to be called Boo. What up, Boo? We also had today is National Library Workers Day, and it's also former POW Appreciation Day. Shout out to former POWs and your bravery and courage in serving, and also National Cherish an Antique Day today. It didn't say it had to be a physical sort of object. Perhaps it is a person. Cherish an Antique Day today. All right, that is the rundown. Also, very quickly, I saw this come out on social media just a short time ago. If you're a Steeler fan, they released their preseason schedule today. We'll hit on this very quickly. They have 2 home games. Week 1 and week 2 of the preseason are at home at Heinz Field against the Buccaneers and the Chiefs. And then week 3 and week 4 will be at Tennessee. And, of course, they always finish with Carolina. This year they'll be at Carolina. But those are the Steelers' preseason opponents. First 2 games at home, last 2 are on the road. All right, let us get to some weather information for today. We will start with a look at our current conditions from our fine friends at Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Wonderful milkshakes, chicken sandwiches, nuggets, and so much more. Pay them a visit. Tell them WhiteBoard Weather sent you. 68 degrees, fair skies right now. Northwest wind at 15 miles an hour. Barometric pressure rising from 2970. Again, winds are pretty brisk right now. I do expect they'll calm down somewhat as we head beyond sunset this evening. That northwest wind in reaction to the passage of a cool front through the area, which will bring some slightly cooler temperatures to the area tomorrow. Let us start with our current surface map. You can see the boundary now down to our south and east. That came through here, relatively uneventful, just a few clouds, no precipitation. High pressure is going to build in over the next, we'll say 24 to 36 hours. I want to move ahead to Wednesday morning. This is first thing tomorrow morning. Not too concerned about this. That's just more of a weak area of low pressure. Nothing to be concerned about here. Here's your dominant feature for Wednesday. High pressure. Return flow eventually is going to quickly come around to the backside. Not so much tomorrow, but tomorrow night and into Thursday. And as that occurs, we'll see a warm front lifting through the area. As that warmer air does move in, there could be a spotty shower or 2. The best chance for that to happen, I think, is north of I-80, and that would be tomorrow night or maybe pre-dawn on Thursday. I think by the time we get to Thursday morning, that warm front shifts to the north. You can see this is Thursday morning. As you get up toward Erie, could be a sprinkle of rain. Otherwise, I think by Thursday morning, we're shifting our flow out of the south, which should bring up another surge of mild air before cooler temperatures arrive over the weekend. And this is the main storm system crossing the country the next couple of days. It'll be in through really the central U.S. This is Thursday morning again, about 7 a.m. You can see rain on the front side with some mild air, and on the back side, there could be a full-blown blizzard-type conditions across parts of the Dakotas, here in through parts of Nebraska, up in through parts of Minnesota. They're going to get snow and wind. They can have it. The low itself is going to track in this direction through the Great Lakes, so we will just get some rain from that, and that probably is going to come on Friday. This is a different perspective, and this is Friday morning at about 7 a.m. You can see that low is now across Indiana, and you can see ahead of it, we're seeing some of the rain showers develop in Indiana and Ohio. I think Friday will be our quote-unquote rainy day, where we'll see occasional rain showers with a cold front approaching and moving through. We'll move ahead to Saturday morning, and you'll see Saturday morning that low quick moving, already up across parts of the Hudson Bay. Down here dries out, but it will cool off. Saturday will be a dry day, the best of the weekend, because it will be dry. And then as we move ahead to Sunday morning, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. You can see Sunday morning another system working up out of the south. This one will bring with it, again, mild air, but also a period of rain showers on Sunday afternoon. So again, the rainy days here look to be Friday and Sunday, with a dry day Saturday in between. And it should be mainly dry up until Friday in most cases. That said, let us head to the whiteboard for today. There you go. Focus and win is your 3-word quote of the day. Again, thanks to my fine friends at Chick-fil-A in Robinson for being our sponsor, our exclusive sponsor of Whiteboard Weather. Pay them a visit. Pick up, again, a shake, nuggets, chicken sandwich, or maybe a Southwest salad. They have wonderfully good food there. Good folks at Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Again, your rainy day planner, Friday and Sunday, both days, I think will probably be around 1/4 inch of rain. So not a lot of rain, but enough to keep things on the damp side. And I thought I'd just run this down for you, just showing you the variation in temperatures we can see in the month of April. In the first 8 days so far this month, we've had 1 day in the 40s, 4 in the 50s, 3 in the 60s, and 1 in the 70s. So literally it can be a seesaw from one day to the next. And we will see some seesawing temperatures over the next several days. Tonight, fine night, clear to partly cloudy skies. 40 is going to be your low temperature. And then tomorrow, clouds mixed with sunshine at times. A comfortable day, but cooler than today. Probably about 8 to 10 degrees cooler, but 56 the high temperature. Clouds are going to increase tomorrow night. I'm going to allow for a spot shower as that warm front lifts into the area, although the best chance of a shower could be near the Interstate 80 corridor, 42 the low temperature. Thursday, I think, will at least turn partly sunny on the other side of that warm front. 68 the high temperature. It's going to get breezy out of the south, probably looking at about a 10, 15 mile an hour wind. Friday, showers likely. Breezy still. High temperature 66 degrees despite some of the rain showers. Cold front moves through by the end of the day. Drops our high to 57 on Saturday, but again, a dry day and partly cloudy. And then showers return on Sunday with a high temperature of 55 degrees. So technically, Saturday and Sunday will be below average, given the fact that our average high temperature is around 60 degrees. We're going to dip just a little bit on the other side of our normal high temperature, which is again around 60 degrees. All right, that is the forecast for today. I appreciate you checking in as always. Please, I ask you to share Whiteboard Weather with your friends on Facebook, followers, whatever the case may be. We want to continue to grow the scope and the coverage of Whiteboard Weather. And it's because you do the share that we continue to grow. Also, if you're so inclined, please vote for Best of the Berg, your favorite meteorologist. Hopefully it's yours truly. But again, you can vote more than once, as many times as your heart desires. Again, if you snap a good weather landscape pic, send it in to us at pittsburghweathernow.com. We'll share it. We'll try and get it up on the gallery ASAP. Freedom, thanks for checking in. Appreciate it. Oh, that's a good one. I didn't know. Opening day of trout season on Saturday. Yes, it will not be raining. It will rain Friday and it will rain Sunday, but not for opening day of trout season on Saturday. A little cooler, but I don't think you mind the cool so much. So yeah, dry for opening day of trout season. Good for you, or anyone else that likes to fish. That's going to wrap it up for today. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Get outside and enjoy. No need to sit inside at 5 or 6 o'clock today. Get outside and enjoy. You got all the weather information you need without the hype. I'm not that type. This is forecasting, not fear casting. Have a great day, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.